Okay, let's see how to set up our GDExtension environment on Windows. First, we need to install few packages. I'll start with Python. Go to python.org website, download the latest version of that for Windows, and install that. After installation, open the command line and type python version. If you see the Python version, you are good to go. If not, this means the system cannot find the Python path. To fix this, search for environment variable and here click on environment variable. Then in the bottom section find path and double click on that. Here you need to add path to the Python executable. This path is really long, so I put this path in the video description. But pay attention, your path might be different if you install a different version of the Python. Also, I installed Python only for the current user. If you install it for all users, it might be in different location, which you can see on the screen. After adding this, close and reopen the command line, type python version again. And now it should show the current version. Next, we want to install Git. Go to the Git website, download it for Windows, and install that. We also need to add Git to the path. Inside the Git folder, find the bin folder, which contains the Git executable. Copy the path of this directory and add it to the environment path variable. Okay, next is cmake. Go to the cmake website, download Windows installer, and install that. For me, cmake is already added to the path after installation. But if it is not for you, just add the bin directory inside the cmake to your environment path. Up to this point, we have added Python, Git, and cmake. Next, we need a C++ compiler. Depending on which compiler you want, you might install Visual Studio or Clang. I'll use GCC and I'll install it with msys2. So go to the msys2 website, download it, and install that. After installing msys2, go to the installation folder. Mine is under C msys64. Here open msys shell. With this shell you can install various packages using command pacman-s and then your package name. I installed two packages that I need. First is the mingw compiler for 64-bit system and second is GDB. I put all of this command in the video description so you can copy that and paste that in the msys shell. If you want 32-bit compiler, use these commands. After installing them, you can see a mingw folder, and inside it, many packages have been installed, including G++. But if you open the command line and type G++ version, it might not be recognized yet. So we need to add this path to the environment variable just like before. Now G++ should be recognized. Now let's compile godot-cpp. Go to the godot-cpp GitHub page and copy the repo URL. I want to clone it in this folder, so I open command line, type git clone, and paste the repo URL. After cloning, inside the godot-cpp folder, I create a directory called build. And inside that, I run cmake ... Okay, here I have an error. Why does this happen? The reason is that cmake cannot find a generator. When you run cmake, it generates a build file, like makefile or ninja file, which we then use to build the project. I'll use make, but you can use ninja if you want. To install make, I open msys shell again and install the mingw make package. After installing that, you can see the mingw make executable inside the mingw folder. If I run cmake again, you might still see the error. This is because even after installing mingw make, cmake is confused about which generator to use. By the way, this error might not happen for you. Sometimes the generator will recognize automatically. Now if you type cmake --help, you can see with -g we can specify which generator to use. On the cmake website, you can see all the generator options. In our case, we want msys makefile. If I open this, it tells us the name of the generator. So before running cmake, I remove everything inside the build folder, and then I run cmake -g mingw makefile. This time the make file is generated successfully. Now let's build it with make. Sorry, I should use min-gw make. We run min-gw make -j24. The -j24 tell it to use 24 CPU cores. After building, you should see a static library inside the bin folder. If you see that, everything is working. And that's how you set up the C++ environment for building GDExtension on Windows. Till the next video, have a great time.